Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the Steam application on your Windows for free. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is we need to open any of the web browser that we have in our Windows. I'm going to open the Edge browser. Simply click on that under the best match, maximize it. Now here in the search bar, simply type Steam, download, hit enter. And you'll find the first option from store.steampower.com. Click on that. Again, it's from store.steampower.com. You'll find this button install Steam. Click on that. And you'll be directed into this page. Click on install Steam for Windows. And the setup file will be downloaded. Click on that and close the browser. Click on next. You can also choose the language that you prefer from here. So there are a lot of languages from here that you can choose from. So I'm just going to go with English. Click on next. You can also browse for the destination folder. Now I'm just going to leave it as it is. Click on install. And now the installation is successful. Click on finish. And this will be updating the Steam app. So let's just wait in a while. And as you can see, the Steam icon on the desktop is already present. Now Steam has been installed into our Windows and this window will appear. Now to confirm if we have just installed this into our Windows, let's close this window and go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Steam. Now that will appear as an application. Click on that. And here you just need to simply sign in with your account name. Enter your account name and your password if you already have the Steam account. But if you don't have the Steam account yet, you have this option from here. Don't have a Steam account, create a free account. You can simply click on this button to create a free account. And you just need to enter your credentials from here, like your email address and your country of residence. And you just have to verify this CAPTCHA verification. Click on continue, and then that's it. You can now enjoy and sign in with your Steam account. So that's it. That's how you can easily install the Steam application into your Windows for free. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.